made it to the hotel room. I can take this mask off for the first time in probably like 24 hours. Probably should throw this away. They kindly, because it's 12 o'clock, but they kindly managed to get me a room, and it's a really nice one actually. Because I'm staying 2 weeks, they did say that they had booked me an upgrade on the top floor, but it wasn't ready yet, and because I've got to wait until I get my next negative result, I couldn't just like wait in the lobby for the room, so I just took this room, but this one's fine. This is the one I originally had booked anyway. So I'm staying in Myeongdong, and it's totally different to how many of you might have remembered it. It's a lot quieter and a lot of things have closed, but I'm sure I'll kind of show a bit of that and explore once I get, fingers crossed, my negative test back. I just wanted to briefly go over the process for when I landed in Incheon, just in case any of you have got upcoming trips to Korea. So the biggest takeaway message for me is do make sure that you get your Q code. I'll put the link where you register that. It basically asks for your details, birthday, passport number, but then also updates your vaccination certificate and your negative test result that you need before flying into Korea. So as long as you upload that, you get a Q code, and basically I just got to skip past all of the health checks. It meant that I didn't have to fill out the health declaration form. It was just such an easy process. So there was 3 checkpoints. The first was checking that I had a Q code, and most people didn't, so they were held up there until they had downloaded it. And it takes about like 10-15 minutes to fill in, and then I just walked straight through. Then I went through passport control, and then a final check was with my documents. So they checked my KETA, my Q code, and also my negative test, and I was basically through baggage claim in about, I would say, 20 minutes. And then baggage claim was completely dead. So once I left baggage claim, I just did a few things. Like I got some snacks because I know that I'm gonna have to stay in my room until my negative result comes, which apparently is only about 3 to 4 hours anyway, and got some cash out and things like that. And then as you go outside of gate 10 in Terminal 1, you can get your PCR test done there. There's a testing facility. So another requirement is that you have to get tested within 24 hours of landing in Incheon Airport. So I pre-booked that on a website called Safe to Go, and I rocked up at the designated time. So I booked my test for an hour after I had landed, so that's why I had a bit of time in between to get some snacks, etc. I also got my Wi-Fi egg, which I highly recommend if you are coming to Korea to either get a Korean SIM card or a Wi-Fi egg. I just get a Wi-Fi egg, which is just a portable Wi-Fi that basically allows me to access the internet on the go. Testing took about 10 minutes, and they said that they'd let me know by 3 p.m. today what my result is, which means that I can go explore. The alternative is that you go to your local health authority nearest to where you're staying in Seoul, but I heard that they don't speak great English sometimes, and you may have to wait up to 24 hours until you get the result back, which means that you'd have to stay in your hotel room until then. So yeah, this hotel is super nice. I should give you a room tour because I got such a good deal on it. So as you come in, I've got rows, they've got a really nice sink. The whole decor and feel of the hotel is kind of like movie inspired. They've got a really nice rainfall shower. It's quite open plan into the bedroom. This is basically the reason why I booked it, because I always love having a bath when I'm away. This actually is a lot similar to the bathtub we've got in our new renovated room. Oh, is this bath salts? That is so cute. Got a little thing of bath salts. Toilet, which I'm hoping is a nice clean toilet with all the fancy gadgets. Yes, it is. Towels, slippers, fridge, kettle, good, because I got some ramyeon to eat. A nice big bed and a desk so that I can work, and a little cute little corner couch. So yeah, I think for 2 weeks it cost something like £700. It's so cheap, and the hotel is really nice. The staff have been absolutely amazing. Beforehand they were confirming all of the documentation that I needed. They kindly helped me with all my baggage. down to the room as well. My room is actually opposite the gym, so that's really good. It means there's just no excuse for me to not use the gym whilst I'm here. But yeah, I am gonna go shower and have a nap whilst I wait for my results, because I haven't slept in 2 days and I'm probably not even making much sense. I am absolutely shattered. So I'm gonna charge this camera up, because hopefully by the time my negative result comes, I can go out and explore. And I'm also going to the Access Y office to do the live Instagram with them at 8 PM. And I'll see you then. I forgot to add, because the hotel is movie themed, they got me some popcorn as a little snack. And they also got me these 2 masks as well as a little welcome pack. And they said that if I need any more masks, to just ask at the front desk. So that's really cool. This is the Wi-Fi yoga I was talking about. So I pre-booked this. It basically cost me about £20 for my whole 2-week stay. And yeah, just like any other Wi-Fi network, it just means that I've got really good internet access throughout my stay in Korea. Right, I'm gonna have a bath, and this Deep Relax bath oil is gonna come in handy. And then back to the mugwort. So I'm using the clarifying one, which just because if I've got a little bit of congested skin after wearing the mask for so long. And then a nice soothing sheet mask. So this is the one by Access Y that contains mugwort, centella, and hyaluronic acid. Hydrates and calms. That's exactly what my skin needs right now. So this hotel is actually, I think it's the first hotel in Korea that was in the small luxury hotels of the world. So for the price and for the room, highly recommend. So yeah, I've just had a bath. I've got my sheet mask on. Not very well, but I've got some mugwort and centella sheet mask on from Access Y. And I'm just gonna lie in bed and go over my notes for the Access Y live session tonight at 8 o'clock. And hopefully my negative tests arrive soon. I think I did say like the sooner the better, because I have to leave here. Well, I want to get some food before the Instagram live. So he said 5 o'clock, but he'll try and rush it for 3. So that'd be great. Ooh. There we go, that's a bit better. I never put the nose flap down, I don't know why. I feel like it always just like hangs over the top and it feels really weird. But yeah, I am gonna try and squeeze in an hour's nap now. Even though after the bath and having this mask on, I feel actually surprisingly awake, but yeah, I should probably have a sleep. I also popped into the convenience store when I was in Incheon and got myself an ice Americano. These honey butter almonds, because I'm obsessed and I can basically go through a bag in one sitting. Some shin ramyeon, because if I don't get the test until 5, I definitely will need some food beforehand, otherwise I won't be able to eat until 9 o'clock. And a chamchi anaguri. Chamchi mayo, so tuna mayo onigiri. Skin's glowing again. Feels so nice to take off that mask or wash my face and like have it nice and moisturized again. I already just got through my negative result, so I can finally relax. And like part of me was, oh, I've got my negative result, I should probably go outside and make the most out of it, but I am so tired I can like barely even open my eyes. So I am going to set an alarm for an hour, have a cat nap, and then go out and explore, maybe have a coffee and get some food. Oh my god, I thought I was too tired to nap, you know when you're overtired, and then I just completely went out. And to be honest, I think I could probably sleep in until tomorrow, but I've snoozed and snoozed my alarm. It is now nearly 4 o'clock. The live is at 8. So I think it's time we had an explore around Myeongdong. It's pretty sad to see everything shut down. So that used to be the Innisfree, the cafe. So it was their flagship store. I think this might have been Shikor. More shut shops. Laneige is still open. But a lot of the side streets, which would be really busy, are just really quiet. I mean, I'd heard stories that a lot of stuff had closed down, but I just didn't realize to the extent, which is just really sad. So this used to be Aland. Yeah, it's like dead. Got some food to go because I'm so tired I can't even be bothered to sit in a restaurant right now, so I'll just chill in the room and eat these. The hotel is opposite BHC Chicken, so I'm definitely going to get some chicken one night. And actually there's a cute little cafe right next to the hotel as well called Creme Chic, so I might check that out. Hopefully it has good coffee so I can go there in the morning. See all the filming decorations as well, which is really cool. They have a library here as well, so I'm not sure if this is a communal space where I could work, but that would be pretty cool. Okay, so I got a spam and egg rice bowl, tteokbokki that was being freshly made in Lotte, chopsticks, and then I also bought some king size mandu. They look so amazing. Yummy! Oh my god, those mandu look so good. So does this tteokbokki, actually. It looked really good, that's why. I wasn't really craving it, but because she was making it, I thought I'll just buy a little tub, and that was only 6,000 won. And then from the same store I got this because I love spam. Oh my god, the tteokbokki is so nice and spicy. The sauce is really thick. This is exactly the consistency I like it. And it's just really chewy. Yummy.
여보세요? 그냥 핸드폰 보고 있었지. 자야지 이제.